Hey, how's it going, guys? This is Marvin to Jay-Z. Hey, so just want to talk about for today's video. It's going to be about the car meet that we went to last night. It was a very fun car meet. Man, I met a lot of new people out there. A lot of nice, cool cars. A filmed a bunch of cars and a lot of two steps from last night. Just wanted to show you guys a little bit of the stuff that I recorded from yesterday, and hopefully, you know, keeps you guys entertained. I know I haven't been filming lately. Been really busy on personal stuff, so I'm gonna try to give you guys as much content as I can. As always, I really appreciate you guys, for taking the time to watch my videos, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. I thank you very much one more time, and I'll leave these videos for you guys to enjoy. Thank you.
There is a place where you can run free. Time does not exist. Take a chance when the road before us falls under our face. I can't hold on, I can't remain so strong. We have the same old bond, but everything is wrong. My love is gone, but I've been born. I can't make it on my own. When I'm alone, my love is gone. My love is gone, but I've been born. I can't make it on my own. When I'm alone, my love is gone. My love is There's a place where you can run free. Time does not exist. Take a chance when the road before us falls under our face. I can't hold on, I can't remain so strong. We have the same old bond, but everything is wrong. My love is gone, but I've been born. I can't make it on my own. When I'm alone, my love is gone.
around the car?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, the blue one.
Taking a picture of
That
this
thing is
thing.
nice,
Yeah,
though,
man.
bro. That thing is. Oh, sorry.
I've never seen one first and I'm excited. This yours? We have track day.
God, this thing is so clean. Super clean.
Yes. What? I need another zip tie. Where'd you get it? Justin's got him. I need one more. I just need longer. I think. It's still good. Actually, I'm lying. Never mind.
And we got the new Supra.